kaya siya?
Smile, Miss Dara. Smile.
I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. Relate ako.
We're all waiting.
Okay, let's go. I'm sorry, Monica.
It's okay, it's okay.
Should start.
Attention everyone! Please give it up for the one and only, Miss Dara Halari.
Queen Dara!
Thank you. We should start. Hi, everyone. Good morning. It's nice to see everybody today.
So we can start the question and answer. Do you have any questions for Dara?
Miss Dara, excited ang lahat sa pag-guest ng Yumi sa concert nyo. May prod number po ba kayo kasama sila or magpe-perform lang sila?
Yes, may prod number kami. And you know what, guys? It's something that you won't forget.
May promo tour po ba kayo?
Actually, yes. Kasama ko ang Yumi at si Nate Lim. Actually, we're starting this Saturday and our first stop is Highlands Melody Music Festival in Tagaytay. So I hope you guys can make it there.
Hi, Queen Dara. For sure, may pasabog tong concert mo. Rosabella's reunion na ba? Oh!
No, Chikatita. Walang Rosabella's reunion.
Oh, speaking of Rosabella's, hindi ko kasi sa'yo natanong ito last time. Aware naman ng lahat sa recent viral video nyo ni Michi Reyes.
Actually, ayokong maalala yung horror na ginawa sa akin ng taong yun. Nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Kaya, I don't wanna talk about it. Pwede?
Alright, so kung hindi Rosabella's, ano ang pasabog mo sa concert mo?
Ayoko maging spoiler. But, we are doing this very special number that will change everything as I exit in the limelight.
Oh, intriguing. Okay, thank you so much. So itong last question ko ay for Miss Monica. Miss Monica, grabe. Ang bongga-bongga ng pa-concert mo kay Miss Dara.
Yes, Miss Dara.
Ano ba yung plano mo?
Si Ate Conchi, nahanap na ba siya?
Hindi namin siya makita. Umalis na ata.
Ibang shows para maging handa siya sa ganitong klaseng...
Alam mo, small world, no? Lain mo, kapitbahay lang pala ng biyenan ko. Ano nga pala number ng bahay? 48. 48. Tingnan nyo nga.
Wala mo kita si...
Dolor!
Dolor! Iwan pa, kuya!
Dolor!
Miss Winnie! Wala na po siya, mama. Inatake po sa puso. Kasalanan ni Miss Dara, Miss Michi.